Here is a wonderful 2013 Audi Q5. With less than 200,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here's a well-appointed Q5 that offers high-end style, a smooth, controlled ride, rock-solid feel, and progressive technology. Well-rounded and powerful, this vehicle instills confidence and enjoyment wherever the road may lead. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, satellite radio, power passenger seat, wood grain interior trim, heated mirrors, fog lamps, aluminum wheels, electronic stability control, steering wheel audio controls, alarm. Don't miss the chance to get behind the wheel of this beautifully crafted Q5. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.